If you were to ask someone about the memories of the Pine Theater, their face would probably light up, and with great joy, they would tell you about all the wonderful times they had with friends and family. The same opportunity will soon be available for a whole new generation. Compass CEO Austin Williams gave us the scoop.
Yeah, so the Pines Theater was the original use of the building, and it had a lot of country music history in it. Most notably, Dolly Parton had her very first paid show here as part of the Kaz Walker show. But you also had June Carter Cash, Chet Atkins, Roy Acuff, and Archie Campbell, along with many, many others. So a long list of folks that performed here. So it's got a rich history, and most folks had forgotten about that, so it's neat to bring that back and highlight that history.
The Pines will still be an entertainment venue, just that of a different kind. Austin took us inside to learn more.
So the Pines is an entertainment venue that's designed for nostalgic gaming. We'll also have food and drink, but here in this space, it's going to feel like a lounge. There'll be a lot of old school board games in the corner. There'll be Dutch shuffleboard. There's a game called Snookball that's like pool, but it's about triple the size, and instead of up at waist level, it's down on the ground, and instead of pool balls, you've got soccer balls that you kick. But the concept of the game is just like pool, so that's what you have here in the front section.
Snookball sounds like a lot of fun to me. I can't wait to try it. I had never been in a construction site before. It was really interesting to see the progress.
So here at the Pines, we're going to have your typical pub food. So buffalo wings, black bean dip. There's going to be fried pickles. We're also going to have a variety of ramen bowls and then salads as well.
Sounds fun and delicious. We stepped outside to see the mural one more time. A few months ago, we met the mural artist Seth. He was working really hard to finish the mural, but he took time to speak with us.
Hey, my name's Seth Bishop, and I am the artist visiting from Oaxaca, Mexico, and painting a mural here in downtown Sevierville, Tennessee.
It was interesting to see him work, and I think he did a beautiful job. Now the mural is ready and waiting for you to come downtown. I especially love that yet again, there's a little bit of Dolly, helping to make downtown Sevierville a special Tennessee mountain home for everyone. A young Dolly can also be seen in Seth's other mural. Great job, Seth. And you too, Austin. You can find the Pines and Compass's other projects too on Core Avenue, just down from the historic Sevier County Courthouse. Watch the entire Downtown Sevierville series here and subscribe for more videos.